I bought these levers as a temporary lever because I was gonna take these out, my Kuryakyn levers with a little trigger pull, whatever, hold your finger in place. But I was gonna cut these and get that powder coated to match this here. So I bought some cheapies online from Azalma, but they actually look pretty good. They actually match that really well also. So depending on how I feel about these might just stay, and I'll keep those the way they are in case I ever decide to switch those back, or if I like the long levers versus the short levers, I'll have those powder coated the way it is red. Who knows? We'll see. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pete, they call me Scooby. Today we're going to be installing my new levers, the shorty levers, 2-finger pull levers. That matches my Clearview ST windshield hardware kit. GoPro. Hero 12. Constantly overheating. I don't get it. So now we're on my older GoPro, the Hero 11. So if it looks different, that's why. It does fine on the road, but in here, doesn't do good. So here's where I am so far. I removed my mirror, the hand guard, dropped my blinker. I loosened this here. I'm gonna loosen these covers up a little so I can get this out. I'm gonna try not to take these covers out. And I'm gonna pull that pin, pull that lever out, and it should be a quick install. Do that there, I'm gonna loosen this one here. And I'm gonna have to go back in here again and add Loctite to these things because they will come loose on you on the road. Ask me how I know. Go ahead, ask me. I'm gonna remove that pin, that bottom jig with the special tool. I gotta change my bits, these are too thick. Be back.
I don't think so. No, 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 it's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 I don't think so. No, 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 it's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen.
I think I'm gonna rock it without the hand guard, because if I don't need the hand guards, and this fairing produces enough blockage, especially in the cold, we'll see how it does. If it come winter time and if I feel like I need it, I'll just put them back on. Until then, get to hit that like button. I just took out the mirror, the bolt, and I'm thinking I'm gonna pull that. I gotta release that. Oh, wait, no, it's not that easy. I gotta release the slack off of the cable so I can pull that out. Yes. It's a little bit more of a project. I don't know if you guys can be able to see this. I'm gonna try. Gotta bring this nut down. I could bring this one up to create slack in the line. Everything's starting to rust. I'm gonna have to put a little lubrication in there. See all that slack on there? Hopefully that's enough to take that out because it's a pain in the butt. I gave that as much slack as I did. Good. So what you need to do is, you need to be able to pull this in, grab the cable, slide it back, see how the cable gets free from the grip, then you'll be able to slide it out, just like that. Oh, I reversed it. Flip this over. Ha 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 ha. Is that clip, boys and girls? Now we're going to pull this pin Now this should be all loose and free. Now we're gonna pull this pin. Don't lose this, guys. That's this pin right there. I'm gonna clean this up. I'm gonna add a little bit more of that lubrication that I got over here. It's gonna go in there. That little pin's gonna go right through there. Hold it all in place. Just like that. There is, I believe, a switch in here also somewhere. There is, right there. And if your bike doesn't start in gear with your lever pushed in, it's because this switch is either gone bad, or in my case, one time, it just needed a little lubrication. I'm gonna spray a little all-purpose lubricant from Blaster in there. Get it in here also, because why not? Grease would be ideal. But we don't know where we put ours. So we gotta make do with what we got. Just like that. Then I gotta, of course, readjust everything. Now I gotta take the slack off of that. Actually gonna give this a little shot of grease in there. Let that penetrate in there. I think we're looking good. Now back to the bottom we go. Now I'm gonna do just the opposite. I'm gonna tighten this up over here. Bad. So I just happened to look up and I noticed I dropped my pin. This was not inside the groove. This needs to be inside there. I had it cupped on the outside. Make sure that's in there. Now what you want to do is to make sure you got it at the right tension. You want to squeeze your lever, pull the cable, and then you're going to see about enough space in there, just put about a nickel or so. You got that space, you know you're at good tension. I'm just going to check it. Bike's in gear. Whoa. See how the bike jerked forward? Oh, bike's dead. Put it on a charger.
Swagger down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die.
Hey guys, now it's several days later, a week later to be exact. I did have to adjust my clutch basket. I had to remove this cover, readjust the clutch because I couldn't get just the tension to work. I don't know if this has got a different pull or something different on there. So I did have to open up the primary cover and readjust the clutch. And we went on a long trip, about a 200-mile day. And at first I was concerned about the feel of this lever because it does feel firm. But once you're riding, it's not a big deal, not for me anyway. But it definitely does feel a little firmer. And I do have a heavy-duty spring clutch kit from Harley Davidson. So Screaming Eagle, Harley Davidson, I don't know. But anyway, if you all enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for future content. And you guys are going to see the next video is going to be me and the Ghost Ride. We went on a trip to New England Motorcycle Museum, about a 200-mile day. Talk to you guys in the next one.